The rise in temperatures has emerged as a pressing issue since the Industrial Revolution, when fossil fuel combustion began to dominate energy production, leading to significant increases in atmospheric carbon dioxide levels and global average temperatures. This phenomenon reached alarming proportions by the mid-20th century, with human activities contributing substantially to climate change through greenhouse gas emissions. Key developments include the formation of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, UNFCCC, in 1992, followed by its Kyoto Protocol in 1997, which aimed at reducing global greenhouse gas emissions. As a result, nations committed to binding targets for carbon dioxide reductions, with developed countries obligated under international agreements to reduce their emissions. However, these efforts have proven insufficient. By the early 21st century, average global temperatures had risen approximately 1 degree Celsius above pre-industrial levels, prompting more stringent measures and leading to the Paris Agreement in 2015. The accord established a goal of limiting global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius, with ambitious steps toward achieving net zero emissions by mid-century. Despite these commitments, actual reductions have lagged behind anticipated targets. The effects are measurable. Between 2000 and 2023, average annual temperature increases exceeded 0.14 degrees C globally per year, with certain regions experiencing even steeper rises, such as the Arctic, where temperatures increased at twice the global rate. This warming has driven sea levels to rise by about 15 centimeters over the last century due to ice melting and thermal expansion of seawater. Concurrently, extreme weather events have become more frequent and severe, including heat waves, droughts, floods, and storms. In terms of economic impacts, studies suggest that climate change could potentially cause up to $200 billion in damages by 2050. However, addressing climate change also offers considerable benefits. Investments in renewable energy sources can create jobs, stimulate technological innovation, and improve public health outcomes associated with cleaner air and water. Despite these opportunities, significant challenges remain, including financial barriers for adopting new technologies and governance issues related to global cooperation on mitigation strategies. To navigate these complexities effectively, it is crucial for governments, corporations, and individuals alike to prioritize sustainable practices in all sectors of society. For instance, transitioning away from fossil fuels towards renewable energy sources can not only mitigate climate change, but also enhance energy security and reliability. Looking ahead through 2050, further progress hinges on robust international collaboration, continued technological advancements, and widespread adoption of low-carbon lifestyles. Achieving meaningful reductions in greenhouse gas emissions necessitates ongoing innovation coupled with significant changes in societal attitudes towards resource management and environmental stewardship.